We went countertop shopping today.
So Willow, Mom, and I ventured out to Mount Airy to check out some countertops today. Of course, we're doing butcher block on our island, which we already have. Was able to score some really nice ones from Habitat, so I was pretty excited about that. However, we wanted to do something different in the kitchen, and we wanted to do something different in the bathrooms. So the bathrooms, I really just wanted something white. Not really Carrera, but you know, and marbles, it's pretty, but it scratches easy. So I was kind of hoping to find something kind of plain, not a lot of movement, not real splotchy, if you will. And I'm excited to say I did. I found some remnant pieces of quartz, which is amazing because they were super cheap and they're amazingly durable and they're really white. I originally thought about doing concrete for the L shape in our in our kitchen. I'm a little hesitant about that because I know it's really porous, and with already having butcher block, I'm a little concerned. I love the soapstone look. Of course, there's more maintenance to that as well, and I'm really trying to do something that is for the long haul, some longevity to it and durability, and so we'll see. I'm also concerned that I won't get the countertops quite black enough if we do the concrete. We did the concrete in the floor underneath the wood stove. It looks great. It's charcoal. It's really nice where it is, but for the countertop, it's going to need to be a lot darker for me, for what I want to pull off for the look. So we actually found two really nice options. One of them, the slab that's coming in, they didn't have a slab there today, but of the option number 2, that you'll see in a second, and it is coming in. They showed me a picture. It's a lot more movement to it. There is white in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just not sure that's what I want. I think I want something that's a little bit more of a solid look, if you will. So that would probably be more option 1, possibly. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, regardless, either way, you shake a stick at it. Both of them are great options, great viable options. And we've already tagged our bath countertops. So that's a great start. So unfortunately, our let's just test the water and see where we stand option did not work. We didn't have E. coli, thankfully, which is good. Not that we expected fecal contamination anyway, but there was coliform. So now we have to shock the well, which is unfortunate because we did not want to put chlorine in the water if we didn't have to, but at least it should be an easy fix. So we'll do that, test again, and hopefully everything will be well so we can complete that permit. Sure, I'm glad to see you taking a break. Why don't you tell the camera how you feeling today? Come on, let everybody know. I'm going to be real for a minute. Things have been stressful lately. Jason's hurting. His body hurts. He's tired. Doing this kind of work is exhausting. And when you do it every day, 7 days a week, and you're doing it like till dark every day of the week, it's super exhausting. And it's times like this when you get to this point and you're super over it. However, you know that you have to keep going. You have to get things done. You have to dig deep, because if you don't, it's never going to get done. When you take on such a task of doing this for yourself and, with minimal help, it's daunting sometimes, but it is what it is. This is not the first time we've done this, but I do hope it's the last. We're not getting any younger, which is what I told him when we decided that this was the path we felt we should go. And it takes a toll. We've gotten so much accomplished, and you can't look down on where we are right now, even when you get discouraged. You have to just be thankful for what's done and keep moving and just dig deeper, because at the end of the day, it's worth it. At the end of the day, you know that the more you get done and the more you do, the sooner you'll be in, and you'll be able to reap the reward of all the hard work that's been put in and all the effort that's been put in. And so I know that we aren't there yet. There's so much that still has to do, but yet it still feels so close. And so just to know that at the end of this process, we'll have exactly what we set out to do. It makes it all worth it, and it makes us very thankful.